Hello, my name is Kenneth Brody McCasland. I'm a BFA designer from San Francisco who is graduating in 2020.
Hi, Brody. I'm Jonathan Cohen. It's really nice to meet you.
You too. What I really wanted to do was kind of translate the idea of being trapped inside of a dream. Most of my ideas and most of my garments come from a very lucid dream type of visualization. It's almost like a meditation. And so I wanted to construct arches, or what I call voids, in places that affect sleep paralysis. So the hands, the arms. This piece, one of the first looks, it's a suit, and the arm is gonna come through here and enter into another place and come out into another place. It really was just a subliminal concept that I wanted to form into garments, so when you wore them, you really felt the effects of sleep paralysis or lucid dreaming. And here's some sketchbook and development of stuff I've collected, and I paired with each look. Each look, I was going to present this in a big portfolio. Here's some of my toiles, some more development of silhouette and shape. Here's construction development halfway through almost.
When I first looked at your portfolio and I heard that kind of born out of impracticality, I got a little scared and be like, oh, that could be an issue. But the more I thought about it, the more I really love that you really owned it. I think that's going to be very important going forward in your career, and where that could take you is that you really understand what you're about and who your customer is.
How have you seen the industry around you change?
Yeah, I think for me, what's been giving me the most hope with everything that's going on is seeing how the fashion community has come together to help one another, even doing situations like this where we can really tap into our community and kind of pull each other up and have conversations of how we're going to move forward. I think it's not an individual problem, it's a collective whole problem. So I think that everyone coming together and really coming up with stronger solutions on a system that might have been a little broken before is what's going to get us out of this.